Hello LionDesk users, I wanted to give you a quick update into a new feature within LionDesk. Users now have document storage to upload their files. To view their documents, on the left-hand side, click on Documents. All documents will be saved in the following section within a folder. All users will have an uncategorized folder. To create a new folder, just click on Add Folder below and give it a name. And click on Create Folder. To upload your files, simply drag and drop or click on the following icon to select from your computer. Once your files have been uploaded, they will be saved in the following folders. Just click on the folder name and click on your file. And that's how you upload documents into LionDesk.